From Panic to Power. Stoic Tactics for Making Tough Decisions in 2025. What if I told you the difference between financial ruin and financial freedom in 2025 won't be decided on Wall Street, but inside your mind? In an age of uncertainty, when headlines scream panic and markets tumble, introducing John, a normal 35-year-old American man. He turns on the TV this morning to see the news that the market is on fire. AI is replacing jobs, and he doesn't know whether to change jobs, invest, or hold on to cash. Real leaders, the real survivors, are not those who react the fastest, but those who decide the wisest. And the ancient Stoics left us a timeless playbook on how to do exactly that. Part 1. The context: why 2025 demands tough decisions. Today's reality: unstable inflation, AI disrupting industries, massive shifts in the job market. Americans aged 24 to 65 are facing huge life choices. Should I switch careers? Should I invest in real estate, AI, or just save? Should I move remote or relocate for stability? The problem: most people make decisions under stress, led by emotions' right-pointing arrow, and that's where they fail. Narrator: when fear drives your choices, you don't make decisions, you make reactions. And reactions destroy wealth, relationships, and futures. Part 2. Stoic principle number 1: control the controllables. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Every tough decision requires a simple split into 2 columns. Within my control: my skills, my effort, my preparation, my reaction. Outside my control: markets, gossip, other people's choices. John realized he couldn't control AI or the stock market, but he could control his study skills, his saving habits, and his reaction to bad news. Part 3. Stoic principle number 2: the pause before the choice. Epictetus said, "If someone succeeds in provoking you, realize your mind is complicit," meaning, before reacting, create the pause. 2025 application: before a major decision, wait 24 hours. Write down why you want to do it. Ask, if a friend came to me with this problem, what advice would I give them? One night, John quickly priced his investment account out of fear of making more mistakes. But instead of hitting the sell button right away, he applied the 24-hour pause principle, wrote down the reasons, read them again, and realized that his decision was coming from fear, not necessity. Part 4. Stoic principle number 3: negative visualization. Seneca wrote, "He suffers more in imagination than in reality." Practice: visualize the worst-case scenario before making a decision. Once you've accepted the worst, fear loses its grip on you. John imagined the worst, losing that investment. He realized, even if he lost the money, he still had his skills, his family, and the ability to make a living. This realization made the fear disappear. Part 5. Stoic principle number 4: virtue over outcome. Stoics believed the right decision isn't judged by the outcome, but by virtue. 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, temperance. In tough choices, ask yourself, is this wise? Is this fair? Is this courageous? Is this moderate, not reckless? John could choose to keep the money for himself. or to support a loved one in need. By applying the 4 Stoic virtues, he decides to share even a small portion. The result is not just money, but respect and family ties. Part 6. Stoic Principle Number 5. Journaling as Decision Training. Marcus Aurelius wrote meditations not for the public, but to train his mind. 2025 Method. Create a Stoic decision journal. Write down the decision. Note emotions, facts, reasons. Revisit a week later. Right pointing arrow. Compare outcome versus reasoning. Over time, your brain learns to choose with clarity, not chaos. John started keeping a diary. Every decision, every emotion, every outcome. After a month, he realized, the more he wrote, the clearer and less fearful he became. Part 7. Real-world case studies. Marcus Aurelius ruled Rome through war and plague with calm reflection. Stay calm. Do your duty. Abraham Lincoln made brutal Civil War decisions with patience and fairness. Warren Buffett, famous for ignoring panic-driven headlines, sticking to rational, timeless principles. These leaders prove a timeless truth. Wisdom in chaos is not a gift, it's a discipline. Marcus Aurelius, Lincoln, Buffett, and even an ordinary person like John all demonstrate that wisdom in chaos is not an innate gift, but a learned discipline. Part 8. Personal benefits for the viewer. Better decision-making equals lower stress, stronger finances, more respect from peers and family. Stoicism isn't just for CEOs. It's for anyone facing crossroads in 2025. Career moves, investments, relationships, or lifestyle choices. John started 2025 in anxiety, but ended the year with calm, financial stability, and respect from his family. What changed wasn't the market, it was his mind. And it could be you, too. In 2025, everyone will face tough decisions. Some will panic, some will freeze, but you can turn panic into power. With Stoic Tactics, you don't just survive uncertainty, you master it. Subscribe now to Ancient Stoic Secrets, because wisdom is the greatest investment you can make.